Hi, I'm Rebecca Rowley. I'm the Vice Principal for International Programs in West Vancouver Schools. I grew up in West Vancouver. It is one of the most beautiful places in the world. We're located on the west coast of the province of British Columbia, where the temperatures go from 6 degrees to 22 degrees. Our warm days are your cool ones. We are located just 20 minutes outside of downtown Vancouver. We are in one of the wealthiest areas of BC, and we are in the cleanest and most safest, lowest crime rate. In West Vancouver, we offer many unique and innovative programs, things that you can only find in our district in the whole of BC. Our Robotics Academy is internationally well known. Our Fencing Academy produces Olympians. We have courses such as forensics that contribute towards your graduation program. We have 3 secondary schools. One of our schools is 900 students, the other has 12, and the third school has 1,400 students. We offer AP and IB programs. If you have any questions or would you like to inquire about West Vancouver schools, please contact Pacific Premier. They'd be happy to help you.